by myself.
And lastly, what kind of advice would you give to someone thinking about applying here?
My advice is be yourself, be honest, don't shy away from your mistakes. One really great thing about Mainstream is that they encourage you making mistakes and learning from them. And so I encourage you to embrace the mistakes that you've made and show how you've learned from them.
Just go for it. Go for the application. I'm from Ohio State. I grew up in the Northeast. I'm not gonna lie, Mainstream was not really on my radar. I stumbled across the listing and I started looking more into the company, and I realized that could be a really good place to work, and it really is. As far as some advice for, say, the interview process, my biggest piece would be to find your niche, find what you're good at, and be able to sell yourself on that.
Absolutely, you should do it. If you like hands-on work, experiencing a lot of different technological fields, and everyone you get to work with is just really great.
Management is looking for people who do this sort of thing in their spare time. I'm a car guy. I think if you have a genuine passion for it, the job's easy. And I think if you don't have a genuine passion for it, this job probably won't be any fun. But I have fun every day.
I would go through everything you've worked on, engineering related, side projects, Arduino stuff, robotics club, whatever, and try to compile everything you've done and how it can contribute and apply to real world problems. For example, there's solicitations out there right now that someone who may have been in a design club for Formula SAE or robotics would know how to solve that problem because they've been using those same principles. So we like to create things, that's part of being an engineer. And so think about how the things you've created could apply to real world problems. Or hey, you could just use the same principles you used to come up with that creation in the real world, because it does really apply.
Great, that's all perfect. Thank you. Yeah.
Good stuff.